In this video, we're going to go through what is Canva. Alright, so I'm going to go to Canva. I'm on Google at the moment, so I'm going to search for Canva. So once I search for Canva, I see www.canva.com comes up in the results at the top. So I'm going to click on that. So now I'm on the home page for Canva. So it says, what will you design today? Alright, so what is Canva? So Canva is a web-based application that you could use to create graphics, you could edit photos, you could edit videos, you could edit presentations, you could edit documents, you could edit sheets, which are Excel sheets, you could even edit web page. So Canva allows you to edit a wide variety of projects, which is very useful in today's world. You know, you're using social media a lot, so it's very useful and it's very helpful and easy to use for a beginner especially, all right, compared to other applications like Photoshop. All right, so why is Canva popular? Canva is popular because it has a free version and it have a paid version that you could use compared to Photoshop, which has a paid version only. With Canva, you could use the free version for as long as you want, and if you're ready to step up your game and access more features, you could always purchase the paid version. Alright, so Canva is mainly popular because of its free version compared to all of the alternative designing applications. Alright, also something to note is that Canva is easy to use on a mobile as well as on a computer. So you could access Canva from any computer or mobile device once you have internet and you have a browser. Whereas previously, when you had Photoshop alone to do graphic design, you only could access Photoshop on your computer by downloading an application. Alright, so that's why Canva is actually popular at the moment. So we're going to go through the difference between the free version of Canva and the paid version of Canva, alright, which is the pro version. So I'm on the home page for Canva at the moment, and I'm going to click on plans up at the top. And here we could see some of the different plans that Canva has, and I'm going to click on compare pricing. Once I click on compare pricing, I could see 3 plans here, and it's the Canva free plan, the Canva Pro, and the Canva theme plan. Alright, so we're going to go through the first 2 plans mainly because these are the 2 plans that more than likely you may want to use one of them. Only if you have a team, then you probably would try to, acquire the Canva Themes plan. Alright, so for the Canva free plan, you pay $0 per month, alright, per person. So it's free, alright, you don't have to pay anything per month. And this is the yearly amount for the Canva Pro. So you would pay $120 US per year for the Canva Pro. Alright, there's some monthly plans that you could also have. So I'll click on monthly right here at the right hand side, click on monthly. So once I click on monthly, now the prices are changed, and we could see the Canva free plan and we could see the Canva Pro plan, which is 15 US per month. So if I scroll down a bit and we go through the Canva free plan features, it has easy drag and drop editor, which is free, and you have 2 million plus professional design templates. If you just want to have templates that you could just edit and input your information and have quick designs. So you have 1,000 plus design types for social media posts. You have document presentation sheets, which are like Excel sheets and more, that you could have access to the different designs. All right, you could also explore the different premium AI features that Canva has, but these features are limited on the free version. Alright, you also have 4.5 stock photos and graphics that you could use for your graphic designs or your video editing. And you could also bring multiple formats into your design. So you could bring photos, videos, etc. into your designs. You could design printing and delivery, so you could design stuff to print. You could also have 5 gig storage of cloud storage. So you have 5 gig of cloud storage for storing your design. So this means that you have cloud storage which you could access from any device. So once you have a Canva account, once you sign into any device, you'll be able to access the designs that you were working on previously. All right, once you created a design. So we're going to go through the features for the Pro plan, which are everything that is in the free plan. Also, you would have these additional features such as unlimited access to premium templates. You would also have 140 million plus photos, videos, and graphics audio as well that you could use in your designs. You could have 1,000 brand kits to manage your brand. All right, so if you're managing multiple brand, this will be helpful. All right, you also have high access to premium AI features plus a taste of our most advanced AI. All right, so you have a lot of access to AI features that you could use, and it's not limited as the free version, because the paid version would open your access to more AI tools and a wider variety of access. All right, you can also boost your creativity and your productivity with 25 plus AI tool that helps with productivity and creativity. All right, you can quickly resize and translate your designs. This is very helpful because it's just one click. All right, you can remove background from images in one click. So if you have an image with a background that you want to remove, you could easily remove that with one click. You can't do that with the free version. All right, so you could create, resize, and translate and remove background at scale. This is another useful tool. You could plan and schedule your social media content. You have 1 terabyte of cloud storage, which is a lot of storage, and it's very hard to actually fill out that storage. All right, so you could access your designs from multiple computers or devices if you're creating a lot of designs. All right, you also have online support for if you have any issues. You could reach out to Canva and they would get back to you and provide you some feedback and help you with whatever issues you have. All right, so that is Canva in a nutshell, and Canva is very easy to use once you keep practicing. So I'm gonna go through some videos that would help you to improve your Canva skills and take you from a beginner to an advanced Canva user. So I'll see you guys in the next video.